Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this me in Jypsy card filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, just tap on the record button. Okay, wait for it. Let it scan you. Okay, Spain, 164 centimeter, 86 kilo. And 120 million. Okay, this is my Jypsy card. Okay, to get this effect, what you can do, just go to your if gallery. Okay, check in trending section. Remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. Go to search for me in Jypsy. Okay, the first one with 178.8k videos. Download video. You got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery. What you can do? Go to your For You page and here search for me in Jypsy card filter. Okay, on the top row you'll see the effect icon. Just tap there, and you'll be directed to the effect page. From here you can edit to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can tap on use this effect and you can use this effect. Okay, suppose you can't see the effects on the top, then you can check on this video. Okay, let's check on this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, it's in yellow. Just tap there, try effect. Again, you will be directed to the effect page. You just have to tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Use this effect.
Let's have a look at this one then.
Okay, that's it. Likewise, you can get this effect and use this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.